Hi everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today we're going to have our next Halloween craft, and we are going to be doing a witch. Ooh, spooky witches. So in your craft kit you are going to get a witch shape, you're going to get a little trick-or-treat sign, you're going to get a face, you're going to get a hat, you're going to get a band for the hat, a buckle, and some cheeks, and some eyes. So what you can first do is you're going to take your witch, and she is sticky. So we're going to take this off, and you're going to take your cup, and you're going to put the back of her body like, well, I guess you can't see, and the arms are going to be just under the rim of the cup. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. So she's going to have her hands like this. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take her face. It's a kind of sad face, isn't it? So what we could do is we could do the face part first. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and we're going to put the eyes on. So is she going to be looking straight at us? I think she is. So there's the first, oops, there you go. There's the first one. And then it's the second, okay? Then we're going to take this little pink thing, which is her cheeks. And she's a little bit smiling. And I think in your craft kits, you're actually going to get a mouth to put on. So then we're going to take this, and we're going to put her face right like that. Oops, it's a little funny, isn't it? Then we're going to take the hat, and we're going to put it right like this. And it's going to match the other part of the hat. I think you guys can probably do a little bit better job than I am. Then on the hat, we're going to put this pink strip, and it is going to be, let's see here, going to be right there. She's starting to look like a witch. And then here's this yellow piece. It's a very yellow piece, and it is a buckle for her hat. I'm going to take this piece out. It is very, very sticky. And we're going to put it on the yellow. We're going to put it on the pink. So there, that's part. Now, what do we have left? We have this green piece. So we're going to take it, and this is actually her hands, and I'm going to put that one there, and then we're going to take the other one, and we're going to put it on this side. So what do we have left? We've done the hat, we've done the hands. We didn't get her bag for trick-or-treat bag. So we're going to take this off. Again, that's very sticky. And we're going to put it right under her hands. So she's actually holding her trick-or-treat bag. So what you can do when it's finished, I think you guys get some hair and you get her smile. Okay, so that's the only piece I'm missing for mine. But we want to make sure that you guys have them. Okay, so I think what you can do is actually, you can put candies in here if you wanted to. Or you could put something very special in there. And so this is the witch. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you next time at Cozy Corner Stories. And we'd love to see your finished witch. Actually, any of your Halloween projects we would like to see. Okay, bye for now.